Hello, this is Philip and welcome to my channel for this new episode of Robospital. We are learning to code with Python. For this we have to repair some robots, so let's continue our campaign. Okay, so save one. We are at the third floor. Okay, here we have 6 floors. We started with the first floor and we are now at the third floor. This is an hotel. Okay, so the bell bot is broken. We have to repair that with a comparison function failure. Okay, let's start. Okay, the requirement, 2 integers are input. If the 2 numbers are different, print true. If they are the same, print false. For example, here. Okay, so this is let me say int1 equals, so int input, like this. int2 equals int input, and we can print. Let's see if the 2 numbers are different, print true. So I want int1 to be different than int2. I think difference is that one. Let me see. So comparison, okay, so less or equal, okay, different is that sign right here. I can test that. So here, for example, 5, 10, 2 numbers are different, so true. Okay, let's submit that. Okay, right. Okay. This is working. Great. Okay. This robot has 7 missions. Okay, this was the first one. Over. What is it? 2 integers are input. I should copy my code each time. Int input int2. Okay, let me copy that for the next missions. If the first number is larger than the second number, print true, otherwise print false. Okay, so this is print int1 greater than int2. Okay, submit that. Right, okay. Very easy. Okay. Next mission. More than. Two integers are input. If the first number is greater than or equal to the second number, print true. So here, just have to print int1 greater than or equal to int2. Yeah, okay, submit. Okay, right. This is quite the same mission. This is a very simple game for now, but it's good to learn how to code better. It's a little too easy. An integer is input. If the input number is odd, print true, otherwise print false. Okay, remember, when you divide an odd number by 2, this remainder is 1. Okay, so I don't need that line, and I want to print true if the number is odd. Okay, so I want int1, and the remainder of division is obtained with the percentage here. So I want that remainder to be different than 0 because I want an odd number. Okay, so that should work. Right. Okay. Same. I imagine I have to put an equal sign. Two strings or are input. If the two strings are equal, print true. Okay, so now I don't need to write the int to cast the input into an integer, because the inputs are strings. Okay, and I imagine I just have to write string 1 equal string 2. You have to be careful. If you want to test an equality, you have to write two equal signs, because one equal sign is for the variable to be, I don't have the word, to create a new variable, okay? And the two equal signs is to for the comparison, okay? Okay, that works. All right, okay. And not the last mission, 6th mission, reservation. Okay, the Robospital Hotel is checking reservations by comparing room numbers and names. Let's compare the reserved information with the person who visited the hotel. The first line contains let's see the example. All right. So the first line contains the reserved room number. The second line contains the reserved name. The third line contains the room number of the visitor. And the fourth line contains the name of the visitor. Okay. On the first line, output true if the room numbers match, and false if not. And on the second line, print true if the name matches, and false if not. Okay, here the number of the room is the same, so true, but the names are not the same, so false. So let me write this. I can write to change a little. Room 1 is that, name 1 is just an input, and room 2 is that, and name 2 is just that. Okay, and I want to print. First I want to check if the room numbers are the same. Okay, so I want to print room 1 equal room 2, and then name 1 equal name 2. Okay, let's try this. Submit. True, false, true, false. Okay. Okay, this is good. And for the last mission, Wednesday. Robospital Hotel offers discounts on Wednesdays. Cool. Let's check if the reservation date is Wednesday. Note that the first day of the month was Tuesday. A natural number for 1 to 30 will be input as the reservation table. If the reservation date is on Wednesday, print true. If the reservation date is off the Wednesday, print false. Example 16, it's true. Okay, so the first number, the number 1, is the Tuesday. Okay, so number 2 is Wednesday, and I don't know. Why 16 is true. Should be false, because if the first day of the month was Tuesday, so the second day of the month is Wednesday. I guess, of course, 2 plus 14 was 16. Yeah. Okay. So let's say date equals int input. Okay, and I want to check if, let's say, because the second day of the month is a Wednesday, I can say, okay, print date -2, and I want the remainder with 7, okay, and I want to check if that remainder is equal to 0. I won't submit right now, because here, for example, if I check 16, this is true, okay. If I check 9, this will be true also, but if I check 2, this will be true. Ah, yes, of course. 2 minus 2, yes, it's equal to 0. Okay, so this should work. Okay. Okay, that was delicious. The steak was something else. Okay. So, I don't know if you read the story. You can pause the video if you want to read the story. I don't want to, I just want to code. I want to learn how to code with Python. So this was the first robot of this third floor. And let's see if we go to the 4th floor, or if I have another robot to repair. Okay. So this is a new practice round about the if condition. Okay, so write following code. So x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. If x is greater than y, then I print x. Else, I print y. You should be careful with two things. First, you have to use that colon character here after the if or the else. And you have to put here space, okay? Okay. Make sure you use colons and tabs correctly, right? This is it. Play here. Okay, 20. Good job. Okay, our bell bot is good now, and now we have to repair that Mr. Bot here. So thank you for watching this episode, and we'll continue in the next episode. See you soon. Bye bye.